Why is nobody talking about one of the founding fathers of literature in Africa, Chinua Achebe?
Things falling apart, as you wrote about yourself. Did you have any premonition, any thought that things would fall apart this much at that time?
No, not this much. No, nothing like this. I saw the Nigerian Federation, the possibility of its dissolution, the possibility of serious trouble, but not taking the form which it did take.
He is considered by critics and teachers as one of the most influential writers in Africa during his generation. His writings, including The Things Fall Apart, have introduced readers throughout the world and has been translated into countless languages. In this novel, he made an inside account of Africa's life and history, not only through his literary contributions, but also through his championing of bold objectives for Nigeria and Africa. Achebe has helped reshape the perception of African history, culture, and place in world affairs. The first novel of Achebe, The Things Fall Apart, is recognized as a world classic and is taught and read everywhere in English-speaking world. The novel has been translated into at least 45 languages and has sold several million copies. A year after the publication, the book won the Margaret Wong Memorial Prize, a major literary award. Achebe was born in the Igbo town of Ogidi in eastern Nigeria, November 16, 1930, the fifth child of Isaiah Okafor Achebe. His father was an instructor in Christian catechism for the Church Missionary Society. Nigeria was a British colony during Achebe's early years, and educated English families like Achebe's occupied a privileged positions in the Nigerian power structure. His parents even named him Albert after Prince Albert, the husband of Queen Victoria of the Great Britain. Achebe himself chose his Igbo name when he was in college. Achebe attended the Church Missionary Society School, where the primary language of instruction for the first 2 years was Igbo. At about 8, he began learning English. He was introduced to English language very late. This made him develop a sense of cultural pride and appreciation for his native tongue, values that may not have been cultivated had he been raised and taught exclusively in English. Achebe's home fostered his understandings of both cultures. He read books in English in his father's library, and he spent hours listening to his mother and sisters tell traditional Igbo stories. At 14, Achebe was selected to attend the government college in Umuahia, considered the best in West Africa. Achebe excelled in his studies, and after graduating at 18, he was accepted to study medicine at the New University College Ibadan, a member college of London University at that time. Demand for educated Nigerians in Nigerian government was very high at that time because Nigeria was preparing for self-rule and independence. Only with a college degree was Nigerians able to enter a higher rank in the civil service. If you've heard of this great man, tell me one of his novels that you know in the comment section.